All right, Gon. Now you gotta open it. There's instructions on how to open it, though.
A pry bar, bro. But seriously, how do I get in here? Bro, this is gonna be such a mess and a disaster. What the fuck did you buy?
All right, Gon, here we go. Easy enough. That's it.
Alright, bro, what do you want me to do, idiot? What kind of fucking gift is this? Bro, if there's like nothing in here, you know what I'm saying? And I just went through all this shit just to open up a crate of nothing. Alright, man, for real, like, oh my god, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do, idiot? This is great. Man, if I had like a fucking hammer or something, that would be
there's
great.
no hammer, bro.
Bro, do you see what the fuck I'm doing? I don't know what to...
We're in the home stretch.
We're in the home stretch. That's it. I got it. On this slip. What the fuck did you buy me, idiot? Wherever you bought this, I'm gonna buy this for somebody. Just to God, I swear to God, I have a sawzall somewhere.
No.
I have a sawzall!
When you do that, you're dulling it out.
Yeah, good. Good, I want to dull your ass out. Ridiculous. What the fuck kind of gift is this? Get.
You can't give up now. You got to do it.
I'm not.
Bro, don't do that. It's fragile.
My fucking hand hurts. Flexing with a fucking pry bar trying to open a fucking piece of shit treasure.
This is the gift that keeps on giving.
I'm looking all around. There's all that glue all everywhere. This is getting dull. Motherfucker.
Flip it over, see if you can get it.
Bro, flip your...
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Motherfucker.
Got it.
I also got my fucking skin, idiot.
You're
Bro,
attempting...
I need a hammer.
No, you can't, bro.
No, fuck you. I don't care. Everything's gonna fall out. God.
Careful.
Mike, man, I'm done, man. I'm really done.
You
I'm
have
done
to
here.
get it.
I'm done. I am done. You better pray. You better pray something so sick. Cause this is almost... Bro, I'm sweating. I'm gonna throw it off of my balcony is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna watch it shatter all over the ground and I'll go pick up whatever's remaining. I'm dead. Fuck! It's all... That one's sealed. It's sealed across the fucking board. I'm dead ass, man. I'm done with this, man. I'm done with this, man. Where the fuck is my fucking tools? Where the fuck is my fucking hammer? Mike, I'm sweating. My armpits are sweating. My armpits are sweating. Bro, I want to...
Oh, my God. Now, that's sheer strength. Watch out. There's nails. No.
Fuck! Mike, Mike, man, Mike.
He's almost there, boy.
Oh, my...
He's got it. Now he's got the second one to go.
Wow.
There it is. And it comes with custom whiskey glasses for
Wow,
you, too.
Mikey, honestly, thank you. Oh, wow. Yeah, what do I think about it?
Yeah, what do you
when
think?
I think about it?
Like
yeah,
inside
it's sick.
Okay, all right.